Hi, Crystal. So, what do you have new in your room? Okay, let's check it out. So, you guys missed the unboxing. It was in this. Take it out, right? And these are two. Alright. So, this is the old one. We're gonna replace it with this one. Okay. Alright, so the first step done. Okay, then we put everything in here and remove the monitor. Now we're just gonna clean up a little bit. You see the dirt? Yes. Alright. So we're putting in here so we can take all the wires out and then figure it out where should they go. Right? Looking fresh. Say bye to him.
Bye, you've been a good boy.
So while we were cleaning back here, we found some new stuff like this one. Yeah, gotta be cleaned up. Alright, as you see, we have a lot of things here and we face some problems because well, they're everything in each other and together and they're bunched and we can't find anything, so we're gonna take the table out and then take all the wires down and put them back again. Okay. So we set all the wire. Now just cleaning up this here. So we have a new piece. We don't know what is it for. And then we cleaned everything. So we connected the new one. Now we'll replace that. The monitor's here. So we connected this, but the monitor was not working. So we YouTubed, we searched a lot, and it was not still working. So we finally found out how to do. So we figured out for Dell, we have to press F2 to restart the whole computer system. So now we're fixing it. Yeah, and then we're trying. Let's see, let's see. Okay, okay. The screen went black. Hey, nice. Okay, Canada. Let's find it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. How many countries do we have? Okay. Canada. Yes. A. And wait, is this right? Keyboard layout. And what? Do we have a Canadian keyboard and a US keyboard? Like, I'll just put US. It's more standard, I think. Like, would you add a second keyboard layout? Scared? Some setup to do. Woohoo! Yay! Okay.
I'm gonna get out of the store.
Okay, go. New system. Everything's working well on the computer. And this one said, hey.